friends, it's Ali, and in today's video I want to share with you some of my favorite finds that I've been seeing at my favorite store, Home Goods, and some other things that I have found. I love this beautiful Thanksgiving pieces here in the white and the gold. They are so beautiful. $7.99 for this little gravy boat. I did purchase that little platter, the gold one you see there, that we saw for $5.99 that I decorated with. But look, you could put the little espresso mugs on them, the gravy boat. It is so versatile, and white and gold, and it's my favorite color, guys. So I love decorating with that. So I found this beautiful tray, and can you believe it was down to $15 from $30? So that was a great deal. Now it does have a couple little scratches here and there, not in the mirror portion, on the gold portion, so it's not something you can't fix, so that's always a plus. By the way, I want to let you know that this is a collaboration that I'm hosting with my beautiful YouTube sisters. We are called the Home Decor Luxe Club, and for the month of August, we do Vlogust, which means that every Friday at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, we have given you videos. And guys, you know, all good things come to an end. So next week will be our final Friday for the month of August, and then we'll be coming back in October. So we hope you guys will enjoy us again, our videos and the decorating ideas that we have for you guys. And we all bring you something a little bit different, so that's always fun and exciting. Please check out the playlist link down below. Let my beautiful YouTube sisters know that I sent you. And sisters, thank you so much for collaborating. I'm truly appreciative, and I love you guys. So guys, look, if you're doing Halloween, these are perfect. While I don't celebrate Halloween, I do love decorating for it. And I love everything with pumpkins and just everything to do with the season. So these beautiful, gorgeous decorative balls were $7.99 from Ross. Ross also has some great vessels like these here for only $17.99. And guys, these are all timeless. They're not just fall related or any specific theme. That beautiful tray was $18.99. And look at this 3-tier tray stand. It's lovely. And I also love the gold plates, the gold and white, the silver, the metallics. Those are all the things that really make my heart sing because they are so beautiful. And you guys know when I sing, I really love it. Now, while I do love this beautiful vessel, it is everything, guys. I just could not bring myself to pay $50 for it, unfortunately. But maybe another time. But look at these platters. These are perfect for serving for the holiday time, for you, not just for fall, but also Thanksgiving, which is part of fall really, and also Christmas, New Year's, what have you. So this is the time to start thinking about those things because it'll get here before you know it, friends. And by the time you go and try to get some of these, they will be gone. Look at this gorgeous lantern. I loved it. It's so classy and elegant, with the little gold subtle color there. It's not too over the top. And these plates are a little bit over the top, but they are so beautiful and I still love them. So I also like to go to Burlington's. Look at all these beauties that Burlington has. I could not believe it. They are looking almost like a Home Goods. And I love their prices, guys, because they are so inexpensive here. And so now going back to Home Goods, yes, we're bouncing back and forth, but these are the white and gold pieces that I have found. Here I had placed everything here because I love to sometimes do a little bit of in-style design in the store, or I just like to see and compare how it's going to look on a table and see if it's going to jive with me. I really love that plate, but I only found one, so I ended up not taking it. So I will share with you in another video in the future of some of my purchases from here. But as you can see, everything is so beautiful and luxe and just gorgeous. Now, the beautiful teacups are not all gold and white, obviously, but they are so pretty. And I just brought them so you could see how beautiful they look in these trays. Any gold tray or platter or anything I just truly love. You could use this long tray to put your utensils in there, your serving utensils, and they look so classy and fancy and beautiful. Now look at these beautiful, beautiful blingy pillows. I just love them. I didn't pick them up, but they do have that fall color to them. I do have a few already in silver color, so I had to pass those up, and they're a little bit on the pricier side. This is the plate that I really loved. I didn't see any more in any of the Home Goods, so that was kind of odd. They only brought one piece. Now these are the silver pillows that I already have, but they did bring some more. I bought mine, I think it was last year or the year before, somewhere around there, but look how shiny and sparkly they are. We've also seen the pearls look like that one there, and then this is a beauty because it has all the metallics together and it creates this beautiful sheen on the pillow, which I really love. So now we get into the tablescape items, which I really love as well in the white and the gold, but I also love ambers a lot for this time of year. So these are perfect, the little crystal looking amber vessels, and also the white and gold plates, and these are just exuding so much luxe, so much beauty, and you can't go wrong with these, friends. Let me tell you, sometimes they're a little bit pricier, like the plates are now in the range of $6.99, $7.99, but I see it as an investment, and these are things that you could use time and time again. They're definitely timeless. When it comes to serving, I love to serve in beautiful plates or platters or trays. And look, even a cloche. I served my chicken on a cloche one day. It started out as a joke, but it was hilarious and I loved it. It looks very pretty and very elegant. Not to mention your canisters for your coffee, sugar. You definitely need to have those ready for the autumn time. So friends, I'm going to get to decorating with some little vignette ideas. Now, bear with me because I am working with what I can find. So I'm at Ross right now, but before we move on, I want to remind you to please check out the playlist link to my beautiful YouTube sisters. You will love them. Thank you so much, sisters, for collaborating with me, and let's enjoy the rest of the video. So what I have here is this tray that was only $17.99, and look at these beauties here, very inexpensive as well. That pumpkin is just everything. It's highly textured. It's got the right colors, not too much, not too little. And this beautiful candle, $7.99, could also turn from fall into the Thanksgiving time as well. I just love these colors together. You could put a glass if you want, or a couple of glassware. Now this is the most fanciest I could find at Ross. Unfortunately, this Ross did not have a lot of glassware like they usually do in other ones, but this one's a little bit out of my way, and I apparently went to the wrong one. But I was trying to work with the best I could. I wanted to just share that you can find inexpensive things at stores like Ross. Like this beautiful runner was only $8.99. This gorgeous pumpkin as well. This wood chip look is very pricey anywhere else, and it is very elegant and classy looking. I love the color. So as you can see here, I was trying different things. You know, they also have this beautiful amber looking vessel, $7.99, and it is a very sturdy piece. And it kind of matches this, I think. You know, it doesn't have to exactly match, but it's in the same color family. So you can always do like little tray vignettes if you don't want to, you know, do an all-out tablescape or go too much over the top. You can find items that are very super inexpensive, very budget friendly at Ross or any other store on a budget. If you wanted to opt out of the glassware and just do like maybe a teacup and saucer. That would also look very nice, as you could see there. And I placed some pumpkin on top of the candle, as you could see on the left, and I think it looks gorgeous. It lifts it up. You want to create a space where you could give different heights so that it could be a more complete look. It looks more cohesive and more elegant, and it just looks beautiful. You could even take the lid off of there if you wanted to, but I left it on so the little copper color on the candle could come out and just kind of create like a pop of color. So here, guys, look, you always have to use your creativity. You could turn a vessel around like I did upside down, and look, it's totally like a candle holder now. You could put another base piece at the bottom, but I didn't have a lot to work with. Like I said, I was scrambling to find pieces, but you get the idea. And that candle, the color of that candle is gorgeous, guys. It could work for any season, to be honest, throughout the entire year, but of course even more so now. And look at this, it's so gorgeous, so beautiful. Now this is more like fall related with the pumpkins, the colors. They are so beautiful with that little tinge of pink, the blush pink. I think it's wonderful. And guys, this was only $12.99, this beautiful swag. Now, if you just like to decorate with the true white colors, look at this beautiful pumpkin. It is gorgeous. Gorgeosities, I tell you. And I know that's not a word, but it's my word. And guys, that was only $10. Can you believe it? Friends, if you stayed this long, thank you so much for watching. Remember, live well, healthy, happy, and organized. Many blessings. If you did stay this long, I'm going to play an extra clip for you on my absolute favorites in white and gold, so you can enjoy from Home Goods my beautiful, beautiful, most loved pieces of all. So here they are. Enjoy the rest of the video with music. Thanks for watching, you guys, and we'll see you here on next Friday for our season finale of Vlogust from the Home Decor Luxe Club.
Peace.